not giving up on NVIDIA, but I'm not buying it here. QCOM is going to be in that same boat. These are all pulling down on SMH as well. That's why you're seeing what you're seeing. And the last one we're looking at is Skyworks. As you can see, tech is weighing on everything to the downside. If we do, we are soundly unchanged since we opened up. Do we have anything to the upside to look at? We don't have any really gaps to the upside to look at. All right, so that was fun. Let's see if we can tighten those up after the first 10 minutes. And we'll see if we have any gaps to play here. Target, we were looking at all day yesterday. It is looking very, very weak. Let's see if it comes back here. That would be a zone short if it does. EA, okay, SWKS, we got to wait on that. Skyworks, EA rallying back but looking weak. It's technically in the zone. I don't think I want to short that here though. Showing too much strength in an otherwise tech weak market. Delta, that looks like it could set up for a zone sell. Get that set. Let's see. We just rolled into the 833 bar here. Let's let that filter through here.